welcome back to my channel. So as you already read by the title, this video is going to be a 10 things you didn't know about me. But let's not do it in the normal way. So I'm not going to tell you things like, oh my god, you know my birthday is in March, subscribe if you're born in March too. Oh my god, you know I don't have siblings, comment below if you don't have siblings too, although that's actually true, that's one of my points. Leave it for later. Anyway, so yeah, this is not going to be one of those typical things you could already guess about me, but I'll just tell you I was in this college, I was in this school. No, I'll tell you random weird things about me that you may already know, considering most of the people who watch this channel are my friends. Thank you. But yeah, you might already know them, some you may not know, but this is a very popular video and I need subscribers, so let's get started. Okay, so fact number 1 is I love to travel. So yeah, I know everyone's gonna be like, every YouTuber says this, hello, what's different? Wait for it. So yeah, I love to travel, be it by road, by flight, by train, anything. And one important thing is that I love to travel inside India. And yeah, I've been to pretty much most of the states except, you know, the northeast part of our country. That's something I still need to discover and I'm hoping to very soon. But yeah, traveling is my absolute favorite thing to do, and thankfully my family also shares this passion, so we keep traveling mostly by road. And another thing that you may not know about me is I love history. I absolutely love history. So when I do tend to travel, I drag my parents to places that have a lot of history. So yeah, considering that I have been to Jaipur 17 times, yeah, and the only reason for that is because there's this palace called Albert Hall where they have this mummy, and I just go there to see the mummy. That's it. Yeah, so I've been to Jaipur 17 times just to see the mummy, honestly. And I don't know, I just have some weird passion for history and anything historical. So I've been to all palaces, forts in Rajasthan, even in Hampi down south, Kerala, Goa, and of course Delhi. I used to stay in Delhi for a really long time. My love for travel is combined with my passion for history, and we end up going to places that have a lot of history. And my parents are always like, oh my god, it's so hot, why are we standing in this palace? And my feet are burning because most of these places don't allow you to wear shoes. So yeah, they need to adjust to that. Number 2 is I love food. Okay, I absolutely love food. You take me to any restaurant, make me try any cuisine, I will try it. Don't trust me to like it, but like I don't like sushi. Unpopular opinion, I know most people like sushi, I don't like sushi. But yeah, I will love to try something new. I'll eat it, I'll tell you my opinion about it, but I absolutely love food. And I love going to places and trying the cuisines of that place. It gives me absolute joy. But another weird thing about me loving food is, if I go to a restaurant and if I like a dish, I will keep ordering that same dish every time we go to that restaurant. So this is me with Big Chill. All you Big Chill fans out there, Big Chill is this restaurant in Delhi, and I order the exact same thing. I've been doing this since 7th or 8th grade now, and yeah, it's been a really long time, obviously. 7 years, I guess, yeah, 7-8 years, and I have been ordering the exact same thing every single time I have gone there. Even till now, I went like 6 months back, I ordered the same thing. That's weird, I know, even though I said I love food. Yeah. Next point, weird fact about me. Number 3, my nails grow really fast. I think you can already make out. This must be like 1 month of growth. Yeah, and if I cut it now, in 2 weeks it'll be back to this size. But I don't get it. People tell me that the same protein in your nails is the same protein in your hair. Then why the hell does my hair not grow? My hair's length has been this for ever since I can imagine. So I don't even know how many months or years that is. But yeah, it's been like this forever. But this keeps growing. So if it's the same protein, then doesn't it also have to grow in the same time period? I don't get it. Okay. Point number 4. So yeah, I love watching movies. I love watching TV shows. Movies, I mostly watch Bollywood. I'm a huge Bollywood freak. But the thing is, I would rather watch the same show or the same movie over and over and over again rather than watching something that you recommend to me which is new. It might be great, it might be amazing, but I will still watch the same thing over and over again for God knows what reason. I must have watched Big Bang Theory 4 times by now because I end up watching it again and again. I have watched Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, I think around 40 times. DDLJ, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, all of these the same time, because if I do have 3 hours, instead of watching 3 episodes of a latest TV show, I will watch a same movie again and again and again and again and sort of recite the dialogues with it. It gives me weird joy. But yeah, that's the kind of person I am. Number 5. I took a really long time to know how to read the time, and I still struggle with it. So yeah, this is something that most people will not know about me, but I can't read the time. So when I do buy watches, I buy watches with those spokes in them, the sticks for, I don't know what it's called, it's not called spokes, but sticks for each number or numbers written on them. Because if it's a watch with just the hour and the minute dial and there's nothing on it, I will not know what time it is. It's a weird problem, I know that, and which is why I have a Fitbit which is digital. Yeah, so I do not know how to read the time if there are no sticks for each number. I will end up getting confused. Yes, I'm 22 and I don't know what to do about it. If you do, tell me. Hey guys, so as you may have guessed by now, yes, this was part 1 of the video and part 2 will be out really soon. Till then, like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel and keep waiting for part 2. Bye!